Do that again. Do that again.
Alright.
Abuse that shit. What would you do to it at night? It's on record.
It's on record? Take a picture. Get the nipples in there. I'm eating boobs, but What's my doing? What if I do this? Are you gonna break it? Yeah. Dude, boobs, man. What a cheap boob job. What a waste. Uniboob right here. In the middle. Take the stick though. Dude, let's tackle it. How we all tackle at the same time?
Just one person tackle it.
I've done that with multiple tackles. Hey, come on together, you're gonna hit each other. Oh, okay.
What if you fall in the water?
I'm just kicking your head. So you kick off the head?
I know.
Yeah, I got it.
You're gonna kick it? What? Feel that.
That was gonna fall, dude. Yeah, what?
Everyone gets to do their.
Liu Kang.
Here's Liu Kang coming up.
Oh my god.
Show him how Liu Kang does it, Ivan.
This is a bicycle kick, dude.
Here comes a bicycle kick. Oh man.
Hey, how kicks are good?
You'll find out on the recording.
Who are you, combo?
All right. Look at that detail.
You're in the shadow.
Oh shit.
Wow.
Say hi, Tammy. It's on record.
Well, I didn't know that.
Now you do. And I don't know why I flipped it vertical.
I know you don't, God.
Since it's on record.
That's why I thought you were taking a picture. You're my shadow.
Ginny fell.
Oh my god.
Let me know when you're done.
I'm almost done with detailing.
And let me know when Ivan starts feeling up on it.
He already did. He rubbed the boobies. Trying to suck on it too. Perfect.
Right down the toboggan.
Watch out, Jeannie! Jeannie!
Okay. Just ride down the toboggan once. I'll start the recording again later when they toboggan.